Welcome to the highest level of precision, which is the M Series lineup manufactured by Fanotech and brought to you by the Nodal Ninja brand. The M Series panoramic rotating tripod heads are created for the semi-pro and the professional photographer. Built completely on the industry standard Arca Swiss platform, this modular system allows you to upgrade your rig as you learn to shoot panoramic images in the highest resolution and detail as possible. Beginning with the M1L, you can start shooting your high-definition panoramic images or learn simple gigapixel imagery with lenses that range from 8mm all the way up to 200mm. With the ability to carry a load of 22 pounds and an upper rotator that boasts a 7.5-degree positive locking system, the M1L can offer you the ability to shoot your large DSLR or medium format camera bodies. From there, you can then jump to the M2 with an upper rotator upgrade kit, or go for the M2 right out of the box and elevate your resolution capturing quality immediately. The M2 extends your focal depth from 8mm all the way up to a 400mm telephoto lens. This incredible range gives you every bit of the versatility that you could look for in a panoramic tripod head. With an incredibly smooth upper rotator, the weight of your lens will not be difficult to handle as you can adjust the friction applied to the gimbal arm, allowing you to gently rotate the next degree segment in your workflow, giving you the confidence needed to complete any high definition, HDR, or commercial grade gigapixel imagery. Finally, in the M Series lineup comes the M2 Giga. With an available Giga upgrade kit or the M2 Giga Complete Kit, you will have taken the final step towards the highest level of professionalism that the industry can offer. Handling a focal length of up to 700mm in landscape orientation, this top-of-the-line product will not disappoint. Surpassing all expectations, the M2 Giga is designed for the professional photographer seeking to take the very best in high-resolution imagery. Our unique patented design allows for a varying range of precise positive stops beginning at 7.5 degrees all the way down to an unthinkable 1.5 degrees. That is precision. That is imagery at its highest possible quality, brought to you by a panoramic head that's not driven by motors, batteries, or heavy clunky setups. CNC machined from aircraft aluminum and hard anodized means that the M2 Giga will not fail you in the field and will give you a long life of use on this product. The M2 lineup will separate you from the rest of the field, giving you the ability to shoot the highest quality, highest resolution panoramic images with razor-sharp accuracy time after time. Our patented design will offer you the repeatable results that you need, along with the dependability of a rugged piece of equipment that will travel with you wherever it is that you may go. Order your M Series panoramic tripod head from Nodal Ninja today.